Hi everybody, my name is Kasey. I'm Josh's brother, and today I will be reviewing which one's better, either the Polo Blue fragrance or the Polo Black fragrance. So let's start by having a smell of which one's better, and I'll also spray it to show that as well. So let's just start by smelling them. That's the spray right there. Smell it in the room. Smells very good. I'll give my thoughts after I smell both of these. Let's smell this one now. So I think personally, from the first smell, let me just have another smell of this just to make sure my opinion, doesn't change after this a second time. So I think Polo Black, they're very similar. I think the Polo Black is a little bit stronger, and it has more of a stronger little scent, which could be bad and could be good. I personally, I like, I say for the most part, like stronger scents. It gives it more like, how do I put it in words? It just gives it a little something more to it, in my opinion. I think the Polo Black one has a little too strong of a fragrance. It's very strong. It's very rich, which it ain't bad. It's not bad, but in my opinion, personally, I like the lighter flavor of the Polo Blue. It's up to personal preference though. If you like a stronger fragrance, I definitely go for the Polo Black one. Personally, I go for the Polo Blue. It's just my personal preference. It smells good, and it's not too over the top. So, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.